this morning's coffee. I'm doing a fast today, so I'm not gonna be eating until between 2 and 4, and I'm gonna be doing a protein shake. Other than that, I'm not eating today. I'm just kind of doing a reset on my body. And then tomorrow, I'm thinking about doing an omelet bar. My friend is doing that, and it sounded like such a fun idea. So I'm thinking tomorrow after church, we're gonna do a bunch of different things that people can choose from, and we're gonna make omelets. Okay, so see how my landscaping is really nice and kept, and then over there it's a complete mess? Well, that's because landscaping is going in on my parents' house on Monday. Yay, we can't wait. It's gonna be all completed. And today I am doing open houses at my Serene Way home. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully we'll get some good people coming in that either wanna rent or buy. Either one would be great. This is today's outfit for the open house and my tennis shoes. So still a little patriotic with the whites and blues from the 4th. I'm gonna leave this off until it's time to go so it doesn't get wrinkled again. So I've gotten all ready for the day. I've got like an hour to spare, and then I'm going to the Serene Way house to do the open house. I am fasting today, so I'm like dying right now. All I'm thinking about is food. I'm trying to fast today, and then I'm gonna have a protein shake, and that's it. I'm gonna do a protein shake today between 2 and 4, and then that's gotta hold me over until tomorrow. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have an omelet. So that's what I got to look forward to, but so hungry already. Drink some water. I did have my black coffee this morning, which usually I put creamer in, so I'm having to go without that. But I want to shed a few pounds, so I'm trying to be dedicated. I'm going to be getting blood work done again next month, and I just want it to come out good. So I got to get my head in the game. I'm trying to get my head in the game. That's what I'm trying to do here. Yep, so what do you do? What do you do to stay healthy? I'm big on that intermittent fasting. I've noticed a lot of good with that. I also am really love doing like the more high protein, fresh fruits and vegetables, not as many carbs. That's good for me. So that's another thing I do. So I'm just working through that. Me and Beth is gonna go clean Grandma's kitchen for 20 bucks. I just got to Ace Hardware. I'm gonna go see if I can find some open house signs. Okay, I went ahead and went with the sign that you make because they didn't have one that said open house, and then I just got a big marker. So I'm glad I left a little early because I need to make my sign. I got all that for $9.61. I had a $5 off coupon. Okay, I just made it here. I had to do some tight maneuvering because I still got scaffolds up. We had some siding repairs done, and the scaffolding is still up. But I knew that and want to do the open house anyways. Oh look, somebody did fireworks over here and didn't clean them up. Okay, let's get our sign and stuff and take it inside and get to making our open house sign. Well, the key and none of this is working. That's frustrating. Let's go check out the one upstairs. Well, this is making me a bit nervous. It's unlocked. It's unlocked, but none of the keys work. Okay, let's go ahead and get some lights turned on and go make our sign. So this is my spot. This is gonna be my little office area. I'm here, table here in the kitchen, and let's get our sign going. So I got the really fat permanent marker, and then I'll take all this to the trash and then throw those fireworks in the trash too before we officially open today. So everything's in top shape. I have 30 minutes to make the sign and discard the trash before people get here. I also need to go upstairs and turn on the lights on the 3rd floor. Pretty much done. I'm just making it look nice and thick, and then I'm gonna add like fireworks, start like kind of sparks around the whole thing because it's 4th of July. Well, it's the 5th of July, but everybody's here for the season. Okay, getting close. So then I just want to do like it's just screaming. I was gonna say happy birthday, open house. Come on in. There we go. That's it. Nice and simple, but very big and bold. This is my yard stake, so I'm gonna put it in here towards the center. Okay, let's go put it in the yard. So we're gonna come down this road, and I want the sign directly in front of them as they come. So I I've just been hanging around the house. I have to take a cushion home to wash. It's almost 4 o'clock. I've had one couple come through, so that's good. I mean, one's better than none. I come back tomorrow, hoping this sells. Like, that would be such great news. See if anybody's pulling up. Sounds like somebody might be coming. Nope, that's the neighbor. I am feeling so hungry from fasting. All I've had is water. I am starving. This is the cushion I gotta take home and wash before tomorrow. See what time it is. 4 o'clock. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff wrapped up, get this show on the road because the neighbor is gonna use my driveway for hibachi today. So I told him it would be cleared open by 5. I'm just getting home. Madison's not here, but Maylin is. I know James and Mia Beth are here. Ooh, I smell cleaner. Hey, Casper, how are you, buddy? I smell cleaner. Yeah. How's it going? James is cleaning the air conditioning units. Girls are happy upstairs. How are you liking that tool?
It's letting me do exactly what I want to do. Like wash it really good. It's like it should be. See?
Yep. It's dirty water. Ooh, that's in our air conditioner. That's why these are so cool. You can clean them and then you got really clean air. James has finished all of the HVAC units. They're all working like a charm now. We are heading to bed. Tomorrow we're doing church and an omelet bar. And yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Omelet bar is underway. So we are doing potatoes. We're doing one batch with peppers and onions and one batch just plain that can be added to the omelets. We're doing grilled peppers, grilled onions, sausage gravy, and avocado, diced olive avocado and diced tomatoes, fresh. It's gonna be good. And then we got cheese, salsa, sour cream, depending on what people like for their toppings. It's gonna be good. We just finished church, so came straight home to do this. And then after we all eat, I'm going back to do another open house. Madison's working, she's coming home for lunch, and Grandma and my aunt and uncle are coming over, so it's gonna be good.
You're about to expose my cutting skills. No strategy, no tactic, nothing.
Okay, the first batch of potatoes are almost done. And then I'm gonna grill the onions and peppers over here. And then this is the sausage and for the gravy. Fresh tomatoes. James is on omelets. How's it going, James?
It's going.
You're doing good. Biscuits, gravy, potatoes, all the omelet toppings, and cinnamon rolls. So I had to run out of my house after the omelets and doing my open house. So I just put my sign up and now I'm inside getting all the lights on and getting ready for the open house. The property manager took every toilet paper out of this house. So I brought some just in case somebody walking through needs to use a restroom. I was thinking I might sit up down here today in this room instead of the one upstairs. And there's a slight chance that afterwards I'm going to the beach. So I brought my beach bag. I had a friend that asked me if I want to go and I told her what time I could go. So I'm waiting to hear if she wants to go. Okay, well, let's get cozy. We're gonna be here for a couple hours. So cherries are in season right now. So I brought some cherries to set out and just to have as a snack. They're so good right now here in America. I don't know if they're in season everywhere, but they're so good here. Look how good these are. They're like so juicy. This is the second batch I've bought because they're so good. Open house is done. Nobody came, so it was very slow. But I went online and did some research on homes in the area, so it was still a good day. My friend Hannah is coming and we're gonna go to the beach. So I'm gonna get my bathing suit on and get ready for that. We just got here, it's a yellow and purple flag. I just got back from the beach. We had a good time and I'm still at where the open house is because we walked from here. Well, kinda, she picked me up and then we walked, but I gotta get all my clothes and head home. It's been a fun day. Made omelets, went to the open house, did something productive, and then went to the beach.